exactly.
What's good, y'all? Oh, I got a big forehead. My forehead's not big, trust me.
The ribbit
Yeah.
frog.
We out here in the wilderness.
We found a frog.
Found a frog.
And a water spider.
Let me see if I can change the camera.
A water spider.
Oh, I can't change the camera.
You
Okay.
can.
We doing live?
I'm gonna change it right now.
Just look.
Alright, so here's the front right here.
No, don't make it
Little guy.
jump. Don't make it jump.
Just chilling.
Alright. I can report on it.
And over here we got some tadpoles over here.
Pee-pees.
Whole bunch of tadpoles just chilling.
I thought I saw a bee. I thought I heard a
They look like guppies. I think they're guppies.
They're not
Yeah, they over here.
gonna catch it.
Mr. Frog over here.
My
Go ahead, Froggy. Good.
That's the frog's baby.
Good. Good. There you go.
Do it.
You left?
He's right there.
Where?
Move right there.
Oh.
Oh, I want to
And we
catch
saw a
it
water
real bad.
spider. He jumped in there somewhere.
Nasty mother.
Mother does not like spiders.
No.
So I know it's fishing here.
Icky spiders.
Oh,
Icky spiders.
Hola. All right.
I'm back at home. Got some frogs.
Yeah. You gotta watch out for snakes too. I think they out.
Watch out for snakes.
yeah, they coming out of
Watch
these
out for
burrows.
snakes.
Yeah.
Y'all heard me? Be careful where
'Cause I'm
y'all-
recording.
Listen, be
Yeah.
careful where y'all walking out here.
Yeah, watch out for snakes.
Yeah, they coming out their burrows now.
Hello, duckies.
Got some ducks over there. Just chilling. Ooh. Shots fired.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody hunting today.
Hunting season ain't started yet.
Oh. Somebody shot them. And there's some turtles over there, but I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see them. But ooh.
And you see the dude that they rang up after they rang your mother up. He bought the other one that you didn't buy without the sling.
Yeah. I'm glad I got the one with the sling. You probably wanted that one. Yeah, there's some turtles over there. Right there. Oh, you guys probably can't see that. There's some big turtles over there. Like they big. Yeah, right there. Hold on. No, you guys only see branches. Hang on. Hang on 1 second. Yeah, if you guys look right there. Yeah, you guys ain't gonna see it. Never mind.
We are now entering the time.
Look at the curvature of this tree though. This thing is
Right.
dope.
Can't do that, bro.
Yeah, you can't be one with nature and be scared of bugs.
I'm not being one with nature.
A bullet?
Yeah, look, the mud is going
Where?
inside.
Bullet? Yeah. Right there. White stuff.
Oh, bro, that's sap.
Oh, that's sap?
Big boy.
Oh, that is tree sap.
That's sap. See sap? Wow, I should have worn my fucking steel-toe boots in this.
Something got in my
I'm
mouth.
looking for a nice little stick I can take home and carve it to like a spear or something. Like woodwork, like a whole Indian dude.
That's pretty good right there.
Yeah.
I got the machete. That's a long stick though. We gotta break
Right,
it.
it look like it's dry rotted.
That too, yeah.
Yep.
You.
You.
Shut. Shut. Shut.
I look white in that picture because of the sun. But it's pretty dope. Nice little park. Right around the corner from the house. Like this path. It's a pretty dope path. Just nature. I fucks with it. I don't see no squirrel up there. Ooh, those are some dope spider webs.
Oh,
These webs. You guys probably can't see the web, but Perfect webs. Somebody was bear grilling out here. Another frog. Damn.
Where?
This is the frog house. Oh, don't run, Froggy. Rita, don't run.
How many frogs are here?
This is the frog house.
Hey, look, there's 2 more frogs.
Oh, the dog going this way.
Dog going for someone. Let's see. Oh, he went back out. Yeah, there's 2 frogs over there. They just chilling.
Yeah, they be chilling.
That's the frog house.
There's 2 frogs.
I want to see the snake.
Ew, no snakes.
Now, if you're down here, these snakes is poisonous. You got copperheads, you got cottonmouths, and they love being around water.
Come on.
Oh, really?
If you don't get immediate medical attention, you
Yeah.
out of here.
Yeah.
You got cottonmouths, you got what's the other one I said?
Copperheads.
Copperheads. Yeah, a few others.
Look at all these froggies.
Wait, is that another frog, Jayla?
Huh?
So another frog?
No, I said look at all these froggies.
Alright.
I took 2 pictures of frogs.
A vehicle came through here.
Dirt bike probably. Or quad. Hey, Mom, look at this purple flower right here.
Ooh, that's the only purple flower. Go pick it. Pick. Hey, look, there's 2 more. There's 2 more. Pick one. And we're done. We're done.